Using a pressure washer is the quickest and cleanest way to wash your car, and just about any electric pressure washer will do the trick. You'll find interchangeable colored washing tips with your washer. Use a 40-degree tip to protect the paint. Start by pre-rinsing your car to loosen dirt and debris. It is important to remember to maintain the right distance to prevent any damage to your car's exterior. After pre-rinsing, making sure that the whole car is wet, add the recommended amount of soap directly into the pressure washer. You can add a bit more if your car is particularly dirty. After pre-rinsing, switch to the soap tip and start applying soap from the bottom, working your way up. Letting the soap sit for a while will help dissolve tough stains and grime. Rinsing off the suds is one of the most satisfying parts, revealing a sparkling shine and spotless exterior. Don't forget to dry off your car using microfiber cloths. Letting it air dry can lead to water spots. In under an hour, you can restore your car's shine with minimal effort. Pressure washing makes car cleaning quick and easy. Visit pressurewasher.com today to find the right washer for you.